No rain today, guys. We got a bunch of wind, so I'm back in front of the garage. Let's get this cook going. Hey guys, welcome back. Man, I tell you what, it is windy outside, just like I told you a minute ago. But, you know, we got some pork chops to cook here, and don't have a big fancy meal, but I'm gonna throw some chops I got on sale on the grill. Gonna season them up, gonna treat them like a ribeye steak, and they're gonna be delicious. Let's get going. Hey guys, I've been hearing a lot about this. Got some of that, I hope I say it right. Things, stir fry oil. Been hearing a lot about it. I'm gonna put it on these pork chops and see how this turns out. Just a little bit on each one. You've seen me use this before. That Trade East Canadian steak seasoning, just like the McCormick's Montreal steak. Boy, the smell of that thing's is crazy. I like that. Give these a flip and repeat. We are ready for the grill. All right, guys, we got fire. Great on, get some heat going in here. I hope this wind is not affecting this video too much. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna throw on a couple pieces of hickory. And get a little smoke going here. Set the timer for about 4 minutes and we'll come back and flip them. Alright. See what we got going on here. Definitely got some smoke. Look at there. Yeah, I may have to do some moving around at the end, but it's up here or get some major heat. I love it. Yeah. We'll check back in another 4 minutes. Yeah, they're real close. This wind is affecting the cook, but I tell you what, we're close. I'm gonna move these out here. Oh yeah. It's up here out front. I have a feeling, since I got so many on here, I have a feeling some of these are going to have to go back up front there. Yeah. Yeah. A couple of these can be moved out off the direct heat. Couple more minutes, guys. Let's get these bad boys off here. Normally I'd let this thing heat up and cook off them grates. This wind is getting so bad tonight, I'm just gonna shut her down immediately so I can put this fire out. Check that out. Let's cut into this bad boy. Get a little piece out of here, just a taste. Look at that. All right, guys, let's go ahead in here. Of course, that Canadian seasoning, man. I put that on steak. I put that on a lot of stuff. I'll tell you what's standing out here. It's that same stir fry oil. There's some garlic in there and a few other things. I'll look at it closer later, but that stood out. I put a big bang into this pork chop, man, and it's as tender as any good ribeye, well cooked. It's great, guys. Folks, thank you so much for watching. And I tell you what, guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like down there. Hit the bell. It'll notify you anytime I post a new video. So until the next week, guys, we're posting every Saturday about 8 a.m. or most Saturdays about 8 a.m. So, and my grandson says thank you also. So, guys, thank you so much. We will see you on the next video. God love you. Goodbye, folks.